Brother, can you take me home later? Hey, hi, my friend recommended me to come here to fix my phone. Brother, can you really do it?
How can a man say he can't, little sister? I can fix it. I can fix it.
So, how much do you think it will cost?
Both the screen and the back cover are broken. The screen costs $400, the back cover is $120. Both are original parts, but the back cover needs to be ordered. We don't have it in stock. I'll change the screen for you first, okay?
I just graduated from college. Can you give me a discount? Brother,
Ha ha ha.
just a little cheaper, please.
All right, 30 you want off.
Okay,
Then take a seat and wait a bit.
okay.
Which school did you go to?
I studied in the city.
Ah, that's not too close. Where do you live?
I live nearby.
Oh my, what a coincidence, I live nearby too.
So, can you take me home later, brother?
Ha ha ha, stop messing around, stop messing around. Just chatting, I didn't mean it that way.
Oh, okay then.
Ha ha, alright, let me see if I have time later, alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Let me wrap it with a tissue first. Do you have a Band-Aid?
Yeah, it's right here. Wrap it up.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Oops, the screwdriver fell. It's okay. I'll pick it up myself. It's done, miss.
That fast?
All fixed.
Can we take a photo together? You're so handsome.
Ha ha ha. Sure, no problem.